Hey guys, this is Man. This is Postman tutorial series, and today's our topic is Postman collection. Postman collection is a core feature of Postman. And what is a collection? A collection is set of API requests which we can group together. For example, you have a project called ABC, so you can create a collection with name of ABC, and your all requests related to this project will reside inside this folder, uh, inside this collection basically. And in the collection you can further create folders. For example, you have two environments for your project. One is development and one is production, so you can further categorize your API calls for production and development in their folders inside this collection. So Postman collections are the main feature because when we publish our APIs and when we mock server, when we monitor, when we do automated testing in Postman, these all are going to happen in terms of collection. So let me give you an example. For example, this is a runner which we use for automated API testing. If we click on this runner, you will see you need to select a collection, not a single API call. So that's why I have said that the collections are the core feature, and we need to deal in terms of collection for most of the Postman features. So let's create a collection. Let's see how to create a collection. In this button we have option for collection, so let's just click it, name it my YouTube collection. You can give any kind of description here. So as we have seen in our last video that we can authorize, we can run scripts before request, we can run the test, we can create environment variables. So the same concept is here. If we want to create variables, we want to create test or authorization for a whole collection, we can give it here, so that each request in this collection will be all these features will be applied to the whole collection's calls, whole collection requests. So that's it. Let's just create it. Yeah, this is our collection newly created, and it's showing the 0 requests. So if you can see the options, we can create folder inside this collection as well. Let's name it development. Create it. Yeah, you can see folder inside your collection. And you can see the options here. You can share the whole collection, you can run a collection, you can export, you can monitor, you can mock, you can publish. So that's why I was saying that the main core feature of the Postman is a collection. We need to deal in terms of collection for all these features. We can't do this against a single request. So let's just close it, and let's see to put your request inside this collection. There are two ways. One is to add request from here, that will be directly saved inside this collection from here, or you can just create your request here, and while saving your collection it will ask you to select your collection. So you can just select your collection from this list, and let's save it, and you can see one request inside our newly created collection. So that's it for today. I hope now we can understand what is a collection. In case of any questions, any queries, just add comment on our YouTube video. So bye bye for now.